Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing America's best value in West Frankfort. It's a 2-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. Located off I-57 and Highway 149 in West Frankfort, Illinois, this hotel is steps from Factory Outlet Mall. It features basic rooms with free Wi-Fi and serves a daily continental breakfast. A microwave and refrigerator are standard in every room at the America's best value in West Frankfort. All rooms include a cable TV and a seating area. Laundry facilities and a 24-hour front desk are offered at the West Frankfort America's best value inn. Free parking is also available. The Frankfort Area Historical Museum and Franklin County Country Club are both a 7-minute drive away. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.